In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe with USD currency. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Billing. This will open the billing tools available in your Stripe account. Next, select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoice Management area, where you can view existing invoices and create a new one. To begin a new invoice, click the Create Invoice button. You will now be asked to choose the customer you want to invoice. Select the correct customer from the list. If needed, confirm that you are billing the right account before moving forward. After selecting the customer, find the Currency option. Open the Currency menu and choose USD, which is the US dollar. This is an important step because it sets the invoice to bill in US currency. Before continuing, make sure USD is clearly selected so the invoice amount is displayed correctly. Click Find or Add an item. From here, you can either select an existing product or service that is already saved in Stripe, or click Add a new line item if you need to create something new for this invoice. This usually includes the item name, amount, quantity, and any other relevant billing information. If you selected an existing item, review the details to make sure everything is accurate. When the information looks correct, click Save. Once the item has been added, review the payment collection settings. You can also check any additional invoice options that are available, depending on how you want the invoice to be handled. This is a good time to confirm that all invoice details are complete and correct. Next, look at the invoice preview. Make sure the total amount is showing in USD. This helps confirm that the selected currency has been applied properly to the invoice. When everything looks right, click Review Invoice. Stripe will show you the final version before it is finalized. Carefully check the customer, the items, the total amount, and the currency one more time. To complete the process, click Finalize and send to email if you want Stripe to email the invoice right away. If you prefer to send it manually later, choose Finalize Only instead. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.